Content creation is one of the most potent means of generating passive income with no upfront cost. By leveraging your skills to create engaging content, whether through blogs, social media posts, or videos, you can attract a broad audience, thereby opening up multiple streams of income. E-commerce, although sometimes less lucrative than other endeavors, still provides an accessible entry point. You can start a store on platforms such as Instagram or Etsy to sell niche products. My personal experience tells me that even a small online store can supplement your income streams significantly. Digital products are another excellent option. Creating ebooks, templates, or specialized spreadsheets like my Ultimate Budget Tracker can generate revenue without incurring additional costs. Platforms such as Udemy allow you to share your expertise by creating video courses. These courses often surpass the earnings from ebooks, making them a worthwhile venture if you have valuable skills to teach. Renting out a spare room through services like Airbnb can also be highly profitable. This is especially effective if you live in a tourist-friendly area. If you lack a spare room, consider getting a roommate. It's a simple way to utilize and use space for income. Blogging, despite its simplicity, remains a robust way to earn passive income. Anyone who can write in clear, concise English can start a blog on a subject they are passionate about. Monetizing a blog with ads or affiliate links can create a steady income stream over time. For those with a creative flair, designing custom products to sell on platforms like Redbubble or directly through an Instagram store can be rewarding. Tools like Canva or Photoshop can facilitate high-quality designs. If you own a car, consider turning it into an advertising vehicle. This involves placing ads on your car and getting paid for the exposure, thus turning your daily commutes into earning opportunities. Video content creation is another lucrative avenue. Platforms like Fiverr offer a marketplace where you can sell your services to those in need of good quality videos. Stock photo sales, although sometimes providing minimal returns, can still offer additional income. If you are already passionate about photography, selling stock photos or illustrations on platforms like Adobe Stock can be an easy way to monetize your hobby. Lastly, renting out a parking space can be particularly profitable if you live in a congested urban area where parking is at a premium. While it's tempting to try all these avenues, it's advisable to focus on a few that align with your skills and interests. By doing so, you can better manage your time and increase the potential for each passive income stream to become substantial. Pick the one that suits you best and start building your wealth today.